Good morning, everybody. This is the day that we leave the villa where we stayed 2 months. We're moving now to Canggu. It's a place where it's moving a little bit. Bali is opening up now, so we're off to a new place. We still got 3 weeks left in Bali, and then we're back in Europe. It's funny to do everything for the last time here because I've passed here 2 months every day, cycling up this little place here. I'm gonna miss this place, but it's time for a change. So now we're going on a new adventure again, it seems. The last time the bikes were packed up with to move was 2 months ago. Bali seemed more to be like a place of reflection than travel, but that's okay. We will go to Canggu. Canggu is a place where it's a lot more busy than here. Things are opening up, so for the last 3 weeks it's good that we have some more action. There's an amazing gym there, so that's one of the reasons as well why we want to go there. Here we're getting at the control post. Okay, nobody is out yet. I have normally controls at the police post, and if you don't have your mask, for the Indonesian people they have to do 50 push-ups. We always have the mask with us, and most of the time I use it like this here, and it kind of seems to be enough. The smells here of the cooking in the morning are amazing, and the people are so amazingly friendly here. Even with this whole corona virus thing, people have no money and they stay simple. They stay happy, they stay humble. That's something we can learn a lot about. It's a beautiful picture here, the 2 girls hand in hand. Good morning. Okay, what I like about cycling early morning is the energy. You have this really beautiful morning light. So now we're passing, pretty soon we're going to pass our gym. And the gym played a big part of our happiness during this time of Corona. We worked out a lot. We ate really, really well. Vegan food. Oh! We got kind of stuck here in Bali, but sometimes you need to not move to learn. Sometimes you need to move to learn. And I think this time, and probably for a lot of people, it was to not move to learn. So the road to Canggu is not too far. It's maybe 30 kilometers, and not pretty hilly, but we go straight through then Pasar to go to Canggu, so that's going to be a bit more urban. We've got this big downhill coming ahead of us. So it's getting pretty hectic here. On the left side there's a market, so you always have to be careful, there's a lot of ins and outs. Okay, baby? Now we're going on the main road. We have a civilization sign up left there. McDonald's is in the house. Now we're gonna turn on this highway here. Now there's a lot of traffic, so probably it was like a red light. The road is not too bad to ride. People are looking out for you here. And the road is wide, so we can go on the shoulder here. Most of these roads here in Indonesia, you will find on either side of the road all kinds of little industrial things and shops. It just amazes me how there's a lot of small businesses. Okay, now we're getting to a stop here. This is always pretty amazing. It's like a race. Everybody kind of has to move themselves up here. Wait to the what? Jalan Sunset. Jalan Sunset is cutting through Kuta, Dji and Denpasar. And I'm amazed how many cyclists I see. Saturday and Sunday seems like to be a really trend to go cycling with your buddies. It's nice to see that the Indonesians are starting to cycle. Well, this is becoming quite a river here. My feet are wet now. We are at the Canggu now, and we're gonna look for the gym now. So Canggu, we arrived maybe 2 hours cycling. Now we're gonna go check the gym. Yeah? Hello.
How are you?